Hi all, welcome back to our channel mybionotes. So in this video we'll be discussing about the topic pleiotropy. So before going into the video, please subscribe our channel and also click the bell button for more updates from our channel. So come, let's discuss about this topic of pleiotropy. So pleiotropy is nothing but a phenomenon in which one single gene starts affecting multiple traits of living organism. So you all know a gene which is a part of a chromosome and it codes for a protein. In turn, it is responsible for a trait or a character. That's what Mendel said, right? It can be flower color or anything. So a single gene, a single character. But here single gene, multiple characters will be expressed. That's the difference. Okay, so that gene which results in expression of multiple phenotype is known as the pleiotrophic gene. And you can see here, right, gene X is responsible. This is the pleiotrophic gene, we call by this name. It results in character 1, character 2, character 3, trait 3. So when it is the gene is involved in metabolic pathways also, it can contribute to different phenotypes. So that will be seeing it in an example. So example, you can take phenylketonuria. So it is a disease caused in humans, this phenylketonuria. So here a gene which is responsible for the breakdown of phenylalanine. So if this gene produces this enzyme, after the expression of the gene, this enzyme will be produced. The enzyme name is phenylalanine hydroxylase. So this hydroxylase enzyme helps in the breakdown of the amino acid phenylalanine. So it is a gene which is responsible for this breakdown of the amino acid, which codes for this enzyme. So without this gene, we can't be able to achieve this breakdown of phenylalanine. Okay, so when there is a single gene mutation, so imagine the gene is getting mutated, so there is a change in a gene. When there is a sudden change in a gene, what happens is that this enzyme will not be fully functional. So in turn, the phenylalanine can't be broken down. So it in turn results in buildup of phenylalanine amino acids in our body. So the individual any individual who is affected with this disease of phenylketonuria have high levels of phenylalanine amino acid in their body. So this high buildup of phenylalanine causes mental retardation, reduction in hair and skin pigmentation. So these are the phenotypic expression which is seen. So because of a single gene getting affected, it results in multiple traits. It affects the brain and also the skin. So this is an example of pleiotropy. So in the same way, we can say another example, which is the disease sickle cell anemia. So here in sickle cell anemia, there is deformed RBC, that is the red blood cells. So RBC is the one which is getting affected here, red blood cells. It will be found in the blood, right? So it has a round shape actually, but in the sickle cell anemia patient, you can see a rigid it will be crescent shape. See the shape of the RBC. It will be a crescent shape. So what happens here? What is the gene which is getting affected in this disease is that it is the HBB gene. So there we saw a different gene name. That is also a pleiotrophic gene in case of phenylketonuria. This is an HBB gene. So this HBB gene is responsible for production of beta globulin of hemoglobin subunit. So here hemoglobin, you have alpha subunit, beta subunit, and also the heme group will be present in the hemoglobin, which is responsible for carrying the oxygen throughout our body. So this HPB gene is responsible for production of beta globulin of hemoglobin subunit. So in this affected patient with sickle cell anemia, instead of when this gene gets affected, that is the HBB gene. So this is a defective one, not the normal HBB gene, means it produces heme S. So instead of producing the beta globulin, proper beta globulin will not be produced, so that a defective one will be produced. So both the beta globulin subunit of hemoglobin, they all clump together and form this heme S, HAES, and in turn there will not be enough oxygen supply to our body, because this one will be crescent shaped, and it will all clump together and it will block the blood vessel. So there will not be proper supply of oxygen to all the parts of the body. So in turn it results in loss of vision, stroke, damaged organs. So these are the multiple phenotypic effects which the gene causes in this sickle cell anemia patients. So a single gene causes multiple traits or phenotypes. So this is an example of pleiotropy. So thank you all for watching my video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and also click the bell button for more updates from our channel. Happy learning to you all. Thank you.